My name is Sten. I'm from Denmark, 46 years old. Flew from Denmark to Madrid and then with bus to Lyon and spent 11 days from Lyon to here. For now, I'm going to Finisterre from tomorrow. I've been hiking in Denmark also. We have some shelters and something you can stay the night and something a little bit like this. But so I would like to try it in Spain because of the weather also. So could be nice. Very nice, very nice. I'll be back next year to go from France to Lyon. So I have to split it in two because of vacation. I cannot have 5 weeks or something like that in one. The best day was actually, I think 2 days ago or something, because we got close to Santiago, and I've been doing some long days with 40 kilometers, and then I split the last 3 days in only like 21 and 20 and 19 to get in here, so going a little slower and more vacation, so it was good days. I think the best thing to buy is definitely shoes. Really good. I use boots. A lot of people only walk in normal shoes, but really good boots and really good socks actually is also necessary. And then your backpack is, of course, also really nice. The way mine works is it takes almost 9 out of 10 kilograms on the hip only, so I don't have any weight on my shoulders. It's really nice. Yeah. In Ponferrada, I actually sent like 3 kilograms or something to Denmark. I have pants and all sort of things for rainy days, and actually 3 kilograms went to Denmark. And the cover for my backpack is actually on a Correro here. It's in town somewhere, I hope. But either they do it the right way or they don't do it. The one from Syria, people don't. They almost hurt every day, feet and hips and backs and everything. But you have to walk at least 5 days or something before it's getting better. And I think on day 5, 6 or something is really good. All things is adjusted and things starts working your way instead of. I don't know. I don't think yet, but of course something could be changed. A lot of thinking on the way, so of course I have a lot of bad memories from the war in Yugoslavia. I was down there as a soldier in the 90s, and it's been haunting me for many years. So I hope some of it could be lying on the Camino somewhere behind me. So. Yeah, this is not my end point, so it's nice to be here and everything, and it's kind of complete, but as I was telling tomorrow I'll go for Finisterre with 90 kilometers more, so it's not over yet. It's quite nice to be here, and I have to celebrate something today, so